Hello everyone, myself Dr. Ravinder Khade. This is the BSc second year, semester third. Today we have to discuss the next aspect from the unit number 3, that is the flight adaptation of birds. Flight adaptation in birds. You can say that birds मध्ये flight adaptation म्हणजे काय ही संकल्पना टॉपिक इथं आपल्याला डिस्कस करायचा आज. Here see this diagram show the various features. The birds among the vertebrates are creature of the air. Like like we can say that the aeroplane, the presence of the birds have the essential peculiar of flight. The birds are adapted to live in air. Their shape of the birds with its wing tail may be compressed to an aeroplane. His whole organization, internal as well as external, modified for the aerial habitat. For the aerial habitat. These are the to reduce the weight. Why reduce the weight? No fat deposit. Small single organ. Thin hollow bones. Waterproof feathers. याचं वेट कमी आहे बर्डचं म्हणजे काय आहे की दिस फोर अँसर फॅट नाही स्मॉल सिंगल ऑर्गन आहे थिन आहे वॉटरप्रूफ फिलर्स टू जनरेट लिफ्ट म्हणजे ती लिफ्ट जनरेट करतो तू एका याच्यावर दुसऱ्या याच्यावर काय एरोफॉइल शेप विंग याची जे विंग कशी आहे एरोफॉइल म्हणजे जे एरोप्लॅन जे असते आपली आपण जे विमान म्हणतो ते विमानासारखा त्याचं जे शेप आहे ते तिथं दिसून राहिले आपल्याला चेस्ट कशी आहे तिची स्ट्रॉंग चेस्ट मसल त्यानंतर ते रिड्यूस एअर ड्रॅग रिड्यूस करते म्हणजे काय की स्ट्रिंग शेप्ड बॉडी आहे तिची आणि बॅकवर्ड अरेंजमेंट फिगर आहे हीच फीचर्स कोणते कोणतं टू रिड्यूस वेट as well as to generate lift to reduce air drag. These three main features they have the each and every bird have the capability to move the or fly in the air habitat. Okay, discuss. Let us discuss. External character काय जसं की body shape. Body have short, light, compact body as a compared to other animal. जर आपण other animal बघितलं तर short आहे, light आहे, compact आहे body. Most organs and large muscle are located near the center of gravity, which is slightly below and behind the wings to provide better balance of during the flight. याच्यामध्ये जे मोस्ट ऑर्गन जे आहेत आणि लार्ज जे मसल येतं जे कुठं सेंटर ऑफ ग्रॅव्हिटी त्याच्या जवळ आहे त्याच्यामुळे काय होते स्लाइटली बिलो दी बिहाइंड अँड बिहाइंड दी विंग्स टू प्रोव्हाइड बेटर बॅलन्स ड्युरिंग फ्लाइट इन मॉर्फोलॉजिकल अडॅप्टेशन ज्यामध्ये शेप अँड स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द बॉडी शेप स्ट्रीमलाइन शेप आहे त्याचा इव्हन बॉडी फॅसिलिटी बॉडी पॅसेज थ्रू एअर offering minimum resistance. Neck is long and flexible eye neck so that the bird can easily rotate its head for searching to or reaching the food and water and can see all around. The two jaw produced into the beak is suitable for picking food and friendly nest building. मतलब दोन हे जॉ ट्रेकिंग फूड करते आणि जे घरटे बांधले जातात फोर लिंग मॉडिफाइड इन टू विंग्स acts as a proper limb organ for flight. फोर लिंग कशी आहे प्रॉपर लिंग आहे organ for flight. They are provided with flight feathers forming a fairly rigid but sufficiently flexible plane and are flapped with the aid of powerful pectoral muscle. Hind limb acts as a locomotory organ. A bipedal locomotion आहे. They are shifted forward for balancing and supporting the entire body. Entire body they shift करते balance करते. They are covered by scale. पूर्ण बॉडी स्केल कव्हर पंखाने कव्हर झाली असते. Digit 8 in claws. Digit 8 in claws. They are also modified for perching in response to arboreal life. The arboreal life is त्याच्यानंतर. Feet of birds are variously modified based on their habits and habitat. बघा. त्या प्रकारचे तिचे फोडले झाले पूर्ण अशी इथे या पद्धतीने ग्राउंड क्राउन्स पॅरोट वेगवेगळे शेप आहेत त्याचे लोक तर एक्झोस्केलेटन म्हणजे काय की बॉडी पूर्ण फिदरनं कव्हर झालेली आहे टोटल बॉडी कव्हर झालेली फिदरनं आणि बॉडी फिदरनं कव्हर झाले असल्यामुळे व्हेरियस टाईप त्याचं काय आहे तर फिदर येतं त्याचं सेमी पेरिंगल येतं काही राऊंड शेप येतं काही काउंटर येतं हे this type of food. That feather, the main function is to prevent the surface loss of heat and help in maintaining the constant body temperature. Body temperature maintain करते जास्त काही heat होऊ देत नाही म्हणजे गरम होऊ देत नाही ती body is all about the आणि ते ट्रॅप काय करते warm air जे ट्रॅप करून टाकते. Tail tail जो आहे short ear long tail feather rectrices which are arranged in a fan-like manner. The tail feather acts as a rudder for steering and balancing. Tail the main function is steering and balancing. Anatomical adaptation. Flight muscle. Flight muscle on the back are highly reduced. In that they are highly reduced. In the flight, it muscle on the breast are well developed for the effective movement of the wings. The largest muscle in the pectoral measures is depressor muscle for the downward stroke for wing. The pectoral minor is the elevated muscle. Before the muscle depress pectoral measure आणि elevated जे आहे muscle pectoral is the wing that is the coracofacial and the coracohumerus protect the wing. Tensor muscle stays the wings. The major muscles, forelimbs, trachea, major muscles. Endoskeleton. Modification are uh, much more that the endoskeleton has become light. It maintains rigidity and state. There is a pneumatization of bone, also with reduction and feeder of bone. In skull, most of the bone of the skulls are fused without any sutures. Jaw are produced into the big teeth, sent to the reduced weight. Body जे आहे body slender आहे. Achial crania is an extension of sternum. We can say that which run axillary in the middle of the sternum and extend outward perpendicular to the plane of the ribs. The keel provide attached thereby providing adequate leverage for flight. Vertebral column 4 to 5 thoracic vertebrae fused to form strong fulcrum against which the wing work. A complex syncarum is formed by fusion of the last thoracic vertebra, all lumbar and sacral, and some anterior caudal vertebra. The Villi of pelvic girdle are fused to it for the balancing the body. Posterior few caudal vertebra fuse to form the short pylorus type to which the tail feathers are attached. This is the skeleton of birds. Sternum that has a keel or crania for attached the flight muscle. Backward elongated of the sternum support the abdominal muscle. Okay. And then girdle and stout of the crocodile attached to the anterior scapula and posteriorly to the sternum. Scapula is also attached to the rib. The pelvis has sink sacrum are fused to support the body weight and to counter attack the snout when the birds alight on the ground. Then forelimbs. Here the forelimb and hindlimbs, suitable adapted for the flight and exhibit fusion to reduce the bone. Reduction the bones. In the hindlimbs, the fibula is reduced. Lower end fibula is fused with the proximal. Okay. The constitute the bone of the forelimb are light and strong to bear the weight of the muscle during the flight. System, here digestive system is rate of the digestive system metabolic rate is high in birds due to which they consume more food. The food is digested rapidly with minimum of undigested matters or minimum time which is eliminated immediately before they therefore rectum is short. The sac like crop serve to store the food and muscular gizzards green the food. The end of your birds. Respiratory tracts. Lungs are small. The internal communicating system of para-bronchi provide large respiratory surface for gas exchange. There is no dead space in the lung. Respiration is efficient and complete. A network of air sac help to store oxygen flying, especially at high altitude. Fresh air does not pass through the front air sac, air filled with the state of air coming from the lung. Circulatory systems, heart is four chamber, double circulation here, RBC more with the high hemoglobin content for rapid and efficient oxygenation, provide more energy. Brain, that is central nervous system, cerebellum is the large and correlated for the control of muscular system, coordinated equilibrium. The olfactory lobes are the small and small due to the poor sense of smell. In sense organ, you can say that the lastly here the being acute the eye in birds, a very large inflation of to the head in and outer the ring of the skeletal plate for testing the air pressures during flight. Tecton of clown structure in the head, lubrications of the eye, and in detection minute movement of the great distance. This is all about the flight adaptations in birds. Thank you.